everyone, you're watching Explore to Shine with Anu.
Before proceeding to the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done, and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload a new video. With no further delay, let's quickly dive into this video.
In this video, we are going to solve a question paper of Graphic Designer course examination of February 2024. Here we have the first session, that is multiple choice. Dash is an example for ornamental fonts. Century School Book, B. Arial, C. Algerian, and D. Webdings. Can you guess the answer? Yes, the right answer is Algerian. Font is an example for ornamental fonts. In design, we can create a new dash. A. Document, B. Book, C. Library, and D. All. The right answer is all. Yes, in design, we can create a document, a book, as well as library. So the answer is all. The next question. The space between two columns are called as dash. A. Slug, B. Gutter, C. Margin, and D. Bleed. The right answer is gutter. The space between two columns are called as gutter. DTP stands for Desktop Publishing, Desktop Publishing, Direct Top Precaution, and Direct Top Publishing. The right answer is Desktop Publishing. DTP stands for Desktop Publishing. The next question. There are dash types of frames tool in InDesign. A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, and D. 6. So how many frame tools we have in InDesign? The right answer is 3. We have 3 types of frame tools in InDesign. The next question. Dash option is used to paste a text block inside an object. A. Paste into, B. Step and repeat, C. Repeat count, and D. Both B and C. The right answer is paste into. The next question. Dash is a shortcut key to add current page number in InDesign. A. Control Shift N, B. Control Alt Shift N, C. Control N, and D. Alt Shift N. The right answer is Control Alt Shift N is the right answer. The intersection of horizontal and vertical ruler is called as dash. Is it A. Ruler point, B. 0 point, C. Meeting point, and D. Guide point? The right answer is 0 point. The intersection of horizontal and vertical ruler is called as 0 point. Here comes the next question. Dash is a set of pages viewed together in InDesign. A. Spread, B. Page, C. Content, and D. Clips. So what is a set of pages viewed together called as? It is called as spread. So the right answer is spread. Next question. Dash is not a unit of measurement. A. Pica's, B. Agates, C. Cicero's, and D. Lycus. Which among these is not a unit of measure? The right answer is Lycus. Moving on to the next question. Dash tool converts freehand strokes to basic shapes in CorelDRAW. A. Smart Drawing Tool, B. Shape Tool, C. Polygon Tool, D. Line Tool. The right answer is Smart Drawing Tool. So Smart Drawing tool will help you to convert the freehand strokes to basic shapes. Dash text is suitable for running text. Artistic text, paragraph text, C. highlight text, and D. all. The right answer is paragraph text. So paragraph text is suitable for running text. Drop cap is also known as dash. A. Initial caps, B. drop word, C. caps word, and D. initial drop. The right answer is initial cap. Drop cap is also known as initial caps. The next question. Dash is not a type of indent in CorelDRAW. A. left line, B. last line, C. first line, and D. base line. Which among these is not a type of indent? The right answer is base line. The next question. RGB stands for dash. Red, green, black, B. red, green, blue, C. red, grey, blue, and D. red, grey, black. The right answer, RGB stands for red, green, blue. The next question. The shortcut key for spot healing brush is dash. A. S, B. H, C. P, and D. J. The right answer is J. The shortcut key for spot healing brush is J. Dash is a shortcut key to invert the selection in Photoshop. Control I, Control Shift I, Control Alt Shift I, and D. Alt Shift I. The right answer is Control Shift I. The next question. Dash tool is used to replace specific color in a drawing. Color replacement tool, B. pencil tool, C. lasso tool, and D. shape tool. Which among these tools is used to replace specific color in a drawing? So the right answer is A. color replacement tool. The history palette has a log of last dash changes made to image. A. 10, B. 20, C. 30, D. 40. The right answer is 20. So history palette has a log of last 20 changes made to an image. Dash tool is used to darken pixels in an image. A. dodge, B. burn, C. sponge, and D. blur. So the right answer for this question is burn. Burn tool is used to darken pixels in an image. Moving on to the next session, which is a fill in the blanks. Here comes the first question in fill in the blanks. DPI stands for dash. Bitmap graphics are made up of dash. Next question. The zoom controls available in InDesign are dash and dash. The two types of rulers in InDesign are dash and dash. Shall we check out for the answers? DPI stands for dots per inch and bitmap graphics are made up of pixels. The zoom controls available in InDesign are zoom in and zoom out. Two types of rulers in InDesign are vertical and horizontal. Next set of questions. The two types of grids are dash and dash. Two types of eyedropper tools are dash and dash in CorelDRAW. The tools in rectangle flyout are dash and dash in CorelDRAW. The answer for this question, the two types of grids are baseline and document grid. The two types of eyedropper tools are attribute eyedropper and color eyedropper. The tools in rectangle flyout are rectangle and 3-point rectangle tool in CorelDRAW. Next question. The two types of text are dash and dash in CorelDRAW. The shortcut key for Magic Wand tool is dash and lasso tool is dash in Photoshop. Dash and dash effects are applied on an image before selecting it to make edges soft in Photoshop. So let's see the answer for this question. The two types of text are artistic text and paragraph text. The shortcut key for Magic Wand tool is W and for lasso tool is L. Feather and anti-alias effects are applied to an image before selecting it to make edges soft in Photoshop. The shortcut key to add to selection in Photoshop is Shift and subtract from selection is Alt key. So moving on to the next session. So just have a glance of these words which are the answers for the upcoming questions. Now shall we move on to the questions? First one. The two types of fonts are dash and dash. Dash is a collection of panels and dash is an example for InDesign views. Dash is called white arrow tool and dash is called as black arrow tool in InDesign. The answer for these questions, the two types of fonts are bitmap and vector fonts. Next one. Dash is a collection of panels. Docker is a collection of panels. And dash is an example for InDesign view. Actual size is an example for InDesign view. Dash is called as white arrow tool. Your direct selection tool is called as white arrow tool. And selection tool is called as black arrow tool in InDesign. Dash and dash options are used to add effects to the corners of the rectangle shape in InDesign. Next one. Dash and dash tools helps you to draw lines and curves in CorelDRAW. The two types of distortion are dash and dash. The answer for these questions, rounded corner and live corner options are used to add effects to the corner of the rectangle shape in InDesign. So which tools helps you to draw lines and curves in CorelDRAW? Your Bezier tool and B-Spline. You have many tools, but the options given in that above box is Bezier and B-Spline. The two types of distortion are push and pull distortion and twister distortion. The next set of questions. Dynamic guides contain visible divisions called dash, and dash spirals expand evenly so that the distance between each revolution is equal. We can view cropping area in Photoshop using dash and dash. Dash and dash are examples of screen modes in Photoshop. The answer for this, dynamic guides contain visible division called ticks and symmetrical spirals expand evenly so that the distance between each revolution is equal. You can view cropping area in Photoshop using golden thread and diagonal golden ratio. Dash and dash are examples of screen modes in Photoshop. Standard and full screen are examples of screen modes in Photoshop. The two primary masks in Photoshop are dash and dash. The answer for this is clipping and layer. So next session is about true or false. Here comes the first question. You cannot split a single cell into two cells in InDesign. Is it true or false? Can you split a cell into two cells? Yes, you can split, but here they have given as you cannot split. So the answer is false. When we create an object in InDesign, by default its opacity is 0%. Is it true or false? The answer is false. So it is not 0% by default. Next question. Shearing is a type of transformation in InDesign. True or false? The answer is true. Yes, shearing is a type of transformation. PCL is not a page description language. Is it true or false? Printer control language. The answer is false. It is a page description language. Pixel is a type of preview mode in CorelDRAW. True or false? Yes, it is true. We have a preview mode called Pixel. CorelDRAW software is an example for raster graphics software. Is it true or false? The answer is false. CorelDRAW is a vector graphics software. The extrude tool lets you apply the illusion of depth to objects. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. PNG format is best to maintain transparency. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. Lens flare is a type of filter in Photoshop. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Filters cannot be used to clean up or retouch photos in Photoshop. Is it true or false? False. Filters can be used to clean up and retouch photos in Photoshop. So the answer is false. So next we have match the following. So match column A with column B and write the correct alphabets in the given box. So first one, we have alpha component, beta component, grayscale color mode, foreground color, background color. On the other hand, we have black, white, blue, yellow, green and red, 0 to 256. So match column A with column B and we have to give the right answer. The answer for alpha component is green red, so the answer is D. Beta component is blue yellow, answer is C for the second one. And third one we have grayscale color mode, so answer for this is 0 to 256. So the answer is E for the third one. Foreground color. Foreground color is black. The answer is A. And the background color is white. The answer is B for the fifth one. So alpha component, we have green, red. Beta component is blue, yellow. Grayscale color mode 0 to 256. Foreground color black and background color is white. So next we have questions with multiple answers. Write shortcut keys for the following in InDesign. First one, left align, right align, center align, justification, and change, replace. The shortcut key for left align is Ctrl Shift L, and for right align it is Ctrl Shift R. For center align it is Ctrl Shift E. For justification the shortcut key is Ctrl Shift J, and for change the shortcut key is Ctrl F. Here comes the next question. Mention any 5-page view in InDesign. So page views, we have zoom in or zoom out, actual size, fit page to window, fit spread to window, and entire pasteboard. We also have zoom to. So any 5 options can be mentioned. The next question. Name any 5 views in CorelDRAW. Enhanced. The next one is normal, wireframe, simple wireframe, and draft and pixel view. You also have stimulate overprints and rasterize complex effects. The next one, types of fountain fills in CorelDRAW are linear, elliptical, conical, rectangular, and solid fills. Next one, mention any 5 measuring tools that are used in Photoshop. So we have ruler, note, eyedropper, count, and color sampler 3D material tool. So all these comes under measuring tools.
That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you share it with your friends. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and keep smiling.